go.
Okay. Where do we stop? Beginning.
Beginning.
Yeah. Yeah, well, this side of the block, right?
No, but I'm talking about the old block.
The old block, yeah. Okay. All right. So with the drawing you've got already, haven't you?
Yeah.
The drawing we had that time. Okay. All right. So where do we start? What do I do? We just talk as you go along.
As you go, yeah.
Okay. All right. This whole unit here made it up to work out the valves.
Yeah.
You with me?
That,
Because
that section there.
you
Yes.
see, that's going into each cylinder there.
That's right. That, in other words, that goes there.
Yes,
That
see, I
is
marked
the
it
top.
there. Right, so then that gave me an idea exactly how it all worked, because this hole here, these here, okay,
Yes.
right, okay. And I fitted it on there to make sure how we could work these valves out, because as I explained to you before, I mean, that actually comes in there. You know, when the car
Yes,
comes
yes,
out,
and when it
okay.
goes there, yeah.
But now we had to remake this all over again. So that is the whole idea, but there's your exhaust.
That's
okay?
right, yeah.
Which comes in the side here. Now my point of view all the time was, this port that goes in here,
This is your intake port.
yeah, that's the intake at the top.
Yeah, that's it, and this is exhaust.
Yeah, that's the exhaust going out.
That's right, yeah. Okay.
I just put all that on there. I want to make sure it fits in there.
Yes.
Now, what I did here, as I explained to you at the time, we can't afford to get a bit of fin in there.
Mm-hmm.
See, you can't afford to get, you don't get a clean casting going here into the cylinder.
Okay, yeah, yes, yes.
If there's a slightest bit of fin, even the thickness of paper.
Check it outside.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, you take it out. Come. Why do you want to eat? Come. Look out, look out. Give me a second. Yes, you haven't eaten all day morning. You see now, if we had to end up getting a bit of fin there, there's no means of cleaning it. But you can't get in
Yes,
it.
yeah, you can't get
You
inside.
can't get in, you can't get in from the cylinder.
That's right, yeah.
So, the size I got all right, that I worked out.
Yeah, yeah.
Which you can see there.
Yeah,
There's your port going in.
okay, yeah.
All right? Okay, then, take this one away for now. Now this is now your, there we go, right there. All right, there's your cylinders. Yeah. This one, see them in there.
Yes, yes, yeah. That's
Okay.
right, yeah.
Turn this one around. There you are, you've seen the same thing,
Yeah,
you see?
that's right, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
So now I've made it in such a way that this,
Yeah, that stop that
yeah, there won't be no fin there.
fin there, yeah,
see,
that's right.
That is my biggest worry, because
Yeah.
normally you could have just put that core against that core, and if there was a bit of fin, you could just knock it out with a chisel and grind it.
Grind it,
you
but now you
because
can't.
You can't get in there.
Yes,
Impossible.
there's no ways you can get, there's
And
no
with
tool that
Murphy's
will
law,
go.
you'll end up getting a bit of fin in there.
Yeah, that's
See
right,
me?
yeah.
So to make this core, I have to do it this way. So what they'll do is, it's a bit tight here and there, but that I'll leave before it goes to the phone. They'll ram their sand up in the core box there,
Mm.
and they can scrape their sand off here. If they can't make it, I'll make it for them. And then this one, as the sand is drying now, you lift this one off this. Off there. That comes away. So you port us onto that core there. Then you open this box up. You take your core out.
Out, yeah.
see?
Okay, yes, yeah.
It's all got to be painted still. See?
That's right, yes, yes.
Then you've got exactly what you've got there.
Oh, yeah, that's there,
Yeah, that's there.
yeah.
If you bring it down, you can put it in just to show you.
Okay.
Just lift it out round. Lift it out. There we go. You see? If you take that one, it fits in there. So in
Yes.
other words, once we've made this now,
Yeah.
what I've made down in wood now, it's going to be sand.
Sand. Okay, that's going to be a sand
But of course
core.
it's going to be completely
Yeah,
round here.
yes, yes, yes,
And
yes.
it's going to have those
That-
ports sticking out here.
Out
there,
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 yeah,
and there.
yeah, yes.
Then the molder would take this as it is, or I'll do it. And this is your mold. Draw your pattern out of your sand, okay?
Okay.
Then you take this core and you put this core in here. It locates properly down the bottom
Yes, yes. Now, there's another one like this mate goes in there.
there. Yeah,
I'll
this
give it
is
a-
completely round.
That's right.
I've
yes.
only made one hole.
Yeah,
See?
yeah.
Okay, but there I made a full hole.
Yeah,
That's
that,
your full hole.
yes, yeah.
See? So now you've got your valve guide, your inlet and exhaust.
Exhaust, yeah.
They're sticking out there.
Yeah.
Then we would come along and you would, this is your other core, and then you're going to slide that core in there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Which leaves at the side of the engine.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Let's leave that one there.
This section over here.
That one there, yeah. And then we're going to take this core, which is also in sand now, of course, understand me?
Yeah.
And we're going to slide that core in there. Okay.
Okay.
And now we've got our core standing out there.
So in other words, that piece there
Yeah.
is that piece over
That
there.
there.
Ah, okay, yeah.
That's where your water jacket goes.
That's right, yes. That's
Okay,
the
yeah.
jacket.
Now we come along to our water jacket here. So I made one in wood here. Let me explain that here. Because we're going to make that in sand.
Okay, so that is sand.
No, they're going to try,
Yeah.
but it's got to be made. See,
Yes,
but I
yeah.
made it foolproof. You ram your sand in there.
Mm.
And you know why I say this is because I have my own family for 45 years. So
Yeah.
I've done this type of things. I know it can be done.
Yeah.
So when the sand is dry, they're going to battle to get it out. So I've made it such a way that you pull this one out like that.
Oh.
And
And
then you
then that's
and
over
you,
there.
You pull that sand out there. So it's
Yeah.
foolproof.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
All right, now let's say for instance we've made the sand core.
Yeah, that's not sand.
That's sand.
Yes. Okay.
Now your core, your water jacket goes in here.
Mm-hmm.
This is metal. Huh? Okay.
That's metal. Yes. Yeah, that hollow is the
That's all
metal.
metal, yeah.
That's where you
Yeah.
throw the aluminium in.
That's right,
Yeah.
that's all metal.
Yes,
So
yes.
this is your water jacket.
Yeah. Okay.
So, in other words, that's going to be a hole.
Yeah.
Exactly opposite to what we've got there.
Got there. Yes.
With me.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. But now, my biggest worry was here was to keep this core in the right position.
Yeah.
But fortunately, what I've done is, I'm going to glue it in the top box.
Okay.
So when you close it down, I'm going to close it very carefully, and that one's going to slide in there.
That's yeah. Okay.
But if I make it all in one core,
Mm.
it's going to make it, they'll break it before they get it out.
Get it down.
Guarantee
Yes.
you.
Yeah. Yeah, because this, sorry,
Yeah.
that section there
Yeah.
is that section on the
Yes,
other side.
yes,
there.
yes,
Okay.
yes. Those are the two holes coming
There are
in.
two holes coming out. Yes.
So what you're looking at there, you're only seeing the inside.
Yeah. No, the inside.
Where the water jackets are, where your cylinders are,
Yeah.
where you're in there. Okay. That's all right there. Then we bring this manure over here. Let me get it over here. Let me take that one over there.
Are there any trees left?
Not many, Paul, not many.
Can I move this one? over?
Now, if you look at this one now, I should actually. Am I got the right way? Yes, I am right. I am right. The way it's standing.
Mm.
You notice the
That
angle,
there,
the angle
that
there, the
there,
angle
angle
there.
there,
It's
that's
this
right.
angle, it's that angle.
Yeah.
That there, that there.
Yes. Okay.
Then
So
we-
in other words, this goes. This
Yeah.
is going to be.
yeah, this is the pattern.
Yeah, that's the pattern. Okay.
So what they're going to do is, when we get there, we are going to now turn this upside down. To show you, you notice there's a screw inside.
Yes.
It's my landmark, I've done it since the Appy.
Oh, okay.
Everybody used to say, why? It's just because then you know I made it. I've always done it from 16 years old.
Is it?
And the foreman used to say to me, why the hell do you do that, Ivan? I say, because then you'll know that I made that pattern.
Okay. Yeah.
So they mold it like that.
Mm.
You turn the mold over, all right?
Mm.
You with me? We pull this pattern before we pull this pattern out,
Yeah.
you've got one box there, you put another box on top.
Top of
that
it.
locates.
Locates
I'm
onto-
going to make a wooden box for them.
Yes, yes.
Otherwise they're going to bring me a box that's all skew
Yeah,
and they're going to battle. So I'm going to make wooden boxes just add a plywood.
yeah.
So you're going to make, that one is now made, and you put this one on top of it. The outpins will locate it. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So there's a joint in there. So now you make your top box.
Okay, yes, yes,
You
yes.
draw your top box off
Mm-hmm.
with this pattern in, you put it over there. Okay? You're going to draw you draw this pattern also out now.
Yeah, yeah.
And now this is the hollow. This already is that hollow you got there.
Yes,
So that core can slide in there.
yeah.
That core slides in there. The sand. Exactly what we did there now, we're doing here in sand.
Oh,
Exactly the same
same thing, yes.
I actually did that so they can see how we put it together.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Right now you got your top box. Here's your top box.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now that core box I haven't opened up yet. I'll get it for you. I'll just show you why I haven't opened it. Because I've made a dummy core in plaster pallets that I can make sure it fits perfectly before you get to the foundry.
Yeah.
You see, there's your dummy core. If you look at that one, there's a piece that goes on there. Where did I put that? I just put him on top of the core. Yeah, there it is.
It goes
It'll be
there.
screwed on there,
Okay,
which is this one, yeah. Okay,
that's right.
that's going to fit in there.
Yeah,
This is your top core now. You can see there, I poured plaster in there.
yeah,
I
yeah.
want to get that core out in plaster pallets.
Oh,
But I can
okay.
make sure that it fits perfectly.
Perfectly,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
So what I'm talking about now, take that core and we glue it in there.
Mm-hmm.
So this core is gonna hang in that top box. This core.
Yeah, yes,
Okay.
yes, yeah.
Then at the same time, I want to mind out the way there.
Sorry.
And then I'm making all the noise. That core there,
Mm-hmm.
we put it in that position. But I want to put glue on it.
Yeah.
So when we bring this one down,
There,
yeah,
yeah.
it's going to stick on there.
Okay,
But
so
also I don't know
now
if
this is now this is going to be sand, eh?
yeah, it's going to be
So that sand can glue onto that there.
that's it.
Okay.
Oh, get out there.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, right, so now we got that core glued in there,
Mm,
and now we're going to close it on top of this mold.
that's right. Okay. Yes.
Okay. Now we got that middle core is in, the side cores are all in. You'll find there. That one is in here.
Yeah.
Then the only core we got to put now in is around that other core box over there, Frank. It is this one. Yeah. That's the one.
Nice one.
You see,
You see now that's
See.
the top where the plugs are going.
you see here,
Yeah.
is that part to locate that.
That's right. Yes. Yes. Yes.
So you're going to make this core up, which, this have it into I filled it up with sand,
Yeah.
and I got this as the core.
So in other words, this will be sand.
This would be sand.
That's sand.
That's
Okay.
sand.
This is sand now. You've made it.
I made it
that
there.
can Go in there.
Yeah, that's sand. You can put that box over there if you want to. Yeah. That's sand, that is that sand.
Yeah.
Now, before we put our top box on,
Mm.
we're also going to put this core in, which will locate on there.
Yeah.
Which comes in a little bit, we'll draw in a little bit up here.
Yes. 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 Yes.
So we can put the core in there too, a little bit there, which will be supported on the outside. of
Yeah.
this piece here.
Yes.
Put your core there, put your top core glued in your top,
Yeah.
and then we're going to slide and close the two boxes.
Okay.
And we're all going to stand back and say our prayers. There's no loose sand is fallen in there.
Inside there. Yeah.
And if it's done properly, there wouldn't be no loose sand, no loose sand, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll pour it, cast it.
Okay.
And when we cast it, we cast it standing up, just like it stands up there.
Yes, it's like that
See,
there.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so it's going to be standing over
Standing
there.
like that.
Now, this bottom section, where is that?
Yeah, that is, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yes.
See, there's your bottom section.
Yeah, okay. Oh,
And then we'll also tell the family men too that
yeah.
we don't pay for blowouts. That we don't want no blowouts.
Yes, yeah, I
I
know.
can understand that, right?
Because I've spoken to people, they say if we do cast it, we must first cast it, we must cast it in aluminium. Because they reckon if they get a little blowout, they can repair it, little ones.
Yeah,
But
we
with
don't want-
cast iron, you can't.
But we don't want blowouts.
Yes, yeah, no.
I just always say to my customers when they came to my town, I said, listen, they say blowouts, and they don't worry about blowouts, I don't charge for blowouts.
Oh, yes, you get them for nothing. Yeah. Okay.
So the idea would be, it's up to the founding guy, but
Mm.
if I was casting it, I would cast it in this side, yeah?
Yeah.
The downpipe all the way down there,
Mm.
and feed it into the bottom flange, 3 places, that's what I would do.
That's right, yeah.
And then yeah, on the top, where your valves are,
Yeah.
that thing will be here, on the side here.
Okay.
I will take see,
Yeah.
quite a heavy line there.
Mm.
So whenever that hits the bottom, easy to
It can come out. Yeah.
Right.
Right. Okay. That's right, yeah.
So, yeah. So actually, that core box line there is actually it's not finished yet. It's actually this core here. It's that core there. It's identical, you see, yeah.
Okay, so that goes in
That
there.
goes in there, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see,
So in other words, this is going to be sand.
that's going to be sand, that's right.
So,
That's why you call this, and this is the core box.
okay.
The core you're making a core from, that's what it is.
Yeah.
That was the most complicated one, the one that worried me the most.
Mm-hmm.
But in the beginning, I first had this one separate, loose, and in the place them in loose. But when I had them in loose like that, I thought,
Yeah.
you know, if it gets bumped or something, then that core could move, well, it shouldn't move because it's on the taper.
Yeah.
But in the foundry, anything's possible.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
At 3 o'clock in the morning, eh? Yeah. And 3 o'clock in the morning, you click them in a weight.
Mm.
Do them all together.
Yeah.
Now you've got a solid core here. They can't move because it's sand, you know.